Welcome back to Porsche How To. On today's episode, cruise control. These features are available on Cayenne, Panamera, Taycan, and 911. This is our cruise control stock. We will see this button on the end. This will toggle us through our adaptive cruise control, our speed limiter, and our hill climb, and all the assists being off. To engage your cruise control, you will simply move this up at your desired speed. You can continue to move it up to increase or down to decrease speed. If you need to cancel it, a simple push forward, and to resume it, a simple pull back. This toggle in the middle, which you can control from the front or back, will set the distance for your adaptive cruise control. In addition, you have a button on the bottom here, which if you hold will turn your lane keep assist on and off. These features are only available on Porsche Macan. To use your adaptive cruise control, you simply start by pressing the button at the end to turn it on. To set your speed, you can push the stock forward. To decrease, pull it back. If you need to shut it off, move it down. To resume it, pop it up. This toggle in the center will adjust your distance to the vehicle in front of you. In addition, you can use your adaptive cruise control, your speed limiter, hill control, or all of these features off. Thank you for watching our Porsche How To series. Until next time, have a great day.